Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Here we have an interesting exponential challenge. E power of x plus pi equals pi raised to power of x plus e. We're interested to find x. So let's solve this step by step. In the first step is, suppose I let this to be f of x. If f of x equals e power of x plus pi, and also I let this to be another function, says g of x equals pi raised to power of x plus e. We want to see the relationship between these two functions. So we have the base of f of x to be exponential and the base of g of x to be pi. The value of e here, as for e, it is approximately 2.7 and 1/8. While the value of pi, this is approximately to be 3.1416. Then, considering these two values, so we can observe that the pi here, the value of it is greater than the value of exponential. And for this to be equal, f of x, when it equals to g of x, that is, they both intersect when f of x equals g of x. But which one grow faster and which one grow less? Because both of these are exponential. So to know the one that grows faster, we consider the one with highest value, which is pi. Pi has 3.1416, which grows faster than the exponential. And to know the value of x, we are going to take the log of both sides. So taking the log of both sides, and we are going to see the point at which both of them intersect. So let's take the natural log on both sides. So we have ln of e power of x plus pi equals ln pi raised to power x plus e. And anywhere we see ln and exponential the same, they are together, they always cancel each other. And here we have x plus pi equals ln pi raised to power of x plus e. By rule of logarithm, both x plus e will come down to base. And here we have x plus pi equals x plus e multiplied by ln pi. Then we open this parenthesis as we have x plus pi equals x multiplied by ln pi, then plus e multiplied by ln pi. This is having x, this is also x. We combine x ln pi with x. So by taking this to this side, and we also transfer pi to other side here. So here we have x minus x ln pi equals e ln pi, that is exponential multiplied by ln pi minus pi. So factoring out x, we have x divided by x, that is 1 minus pi ln x ln pi divided by x, that is ln pi, equals e ln pi minus pi. Dividing both sides by 1 minus ln pi, we have x equals exponential multiplied by ln pi minus pi divided by 1 minus ln pi. So here is the solution to x with the approximate value of x, so which gives us, when we take the exponential multiplied by ln pi minus pi divided by 1 minus ln pi, this is approximately 0.2157. Then we have 95. So this is the approximate value of it. And this is how I solve this step by step. We can try to confirm by substituting this value of x in the given equation, so the two sides will be equal. This is how to solve this, and this is where they intersect. The intersection point is 0.215795. Thanks for watching, and you can drop the comment in the comment box and see what you think about these questions. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.